Good morning, students. Now HS2ndyr Commerce and it is CMST class. Yes, we have completed that statistics first part of central tendency. Central tendency, I again want to repeat, central tendency means so many values in an information. If we take only one value of this information, which can represent the total data of this information, that is called central tendency. Central tendency is that is a figure which can represent the total things of that information, that number of informations. So that is central tendency. Central tendency can be calculated. That is already done in our classes 9, 10, 11. Now that also you know how to measure the central tendency. So many ways we can measure. It is by arithmetic mean. Arithmetic means generally which are calling average. Then geometric mean, what we are calling that is geometrical. Then harmonic mean is also there. Then we have done by mean. Mean is this one, that is arithmetic mean, geometric mean and harmonic mean. Then we have done by this one, that median, mode. This way also we can do. And yes, we have done this way also. Those students, that this way of doing, that is calculating mean, median, mode, that already you have done in other classes. Now for these classes, that is for 12, you have to do it elaborately. In class 10, arithmetic mean, we have done by 3 methods. One is by direct method, summation fi xi by summation fi. It is direct method. Assume mean method, that is a plus summation fi ui by summation fi, by ui is xi minus a. Then by step deviation method. Step deviation method is what? That if you have done by xi, if you replace by di is what? Summation, that is xi minus a by h, where a is what? Assume mean. Then mean x bar is a plus a summation fi di by summation fi. This is the arithmetic. Then I will go little elaborately, that is geometric mean. Today we will going to do, that is this one, geometric mean. Name itself means something geometry is there. No, actually not that one. If I write 2, 3, 6, 18, 54 like that, I have written these types of numbers. Then these are what? All are right in this what? In the form of, that is multiplying and proceeding this way. What here? Here first term is a and common ratio is on. A is, if we take here it is first term 2 and common ratio it is what? 3. So you see that it is proceeding by multiplying thing and this. So this term then can be called as geometric mean. So geometric mean that then this is the common. Then nth term. Suppose I simply want to write a geometric series. If it is 9 here, here you see that terms are AR square, AR2. Here each terms are multiplied by R and proceedings. This way of proceeding of any type of numbers is called geometric mean. Here nth term, that is, you can write a suffix n as symbol of nth term. This is what? A r to the power n minus 1. A r to the power n minus 1 is the value of nth term in an GP series. Also I want to write that sum of n terms sum of n term is written as a 1 minus r to the power n divided by 1 minus r. If r is less than 1, or we can say a r to the power n minus 1 by r minus 1 if r is greater than 1. Then also we can say if it is infinity n is very big, then sum is this. It can be written as 1 minus r if r n is equal to infinity, that is infinite terms. So yes, this is then the value. So this is the term, n term value, sum of n term, either if r is less than 1, if r greater than 1, if this is infinity. Then yes, exercise. If we follow the exercise, they have said define simple and weighted geometric mean. Yes, simple means general numbers are there. Then you have to find the geometric mean, it is simple mean, and weighted if it is connected with something's weight, frequency type like that, then it is weighted one. And under what circumstances we recommend this? Yes, this circumstances is what when there is weight is not given, then the simple. If weight is given with the figure of everyone, it is weighted one. Now advantage, disadvantages of usage of geometric mean. Geometric mean we are generally using if we fail with the arithmetic mean, then only geometric mean is used. Then we will go to the question number 3 of this exercise 4b. Here they say find the geometric mean of 4 and 9. How to get this one? Geometric series we have discussed. Now we will consider the geometric mean of this one. So they actually want to mean that 4 and then one missing term, then 9. Such that this term is, if we take this one as a, this one is AR, this one is AR square. So A is here 4, AR square is 9. What will be the middle term? So here one direct formula is what? Geometric means direct formula is root over AB. A is first term, that is 4, and B is last term. Then root over 36, that is 6. So then this is your answer. Then as I have written A as 4, it is alternative number, don't need to write. A is 4, A r square is 9. Then what will be the r square? 9 by 8, that is 9 by 4. So r will be what? 3 by 2. Then the second term, AR will be what? 4 into 3 by 2. So it is 6. So you see that either by this or by that you can do. Now this 3b, you have to find this geometric mean of this three number. So how to do geometric mean? That you have to multiply. Just I am giving the hints. Geometric mean will be what? The 3 into 9 into 27. Then what is the power? Power of 20. Then it will be the value of geometric mean. Then they say find the geometric mean of these so many numbers 4. That is question number 4 I am going to do. Yes, geometric means formula, it is already I say it is little bit different from this one. And geometric mean is what? That is nth root of So geometric mean of n numbers is what? x1, x2, xn is this to the power 1 by n. Here, for calculation, nowadays the calculator sometimes they may allow, they may not be allowed, but logarithms is randomly used for finding the calculation of this one. Now, I am going to do this sum, that is question number. This is your homework. It is 3D, trying to do this one. Now, question number 5. So here given number 1 by 5, 1 by 7, 1 by 9, 1 by 11. To get the geometric mean of this number, we have to write geometric mean formula is what? I have said already, x1, x2, xn to the power 1 by n. So here also, this our suppose it is x bar I have written. Here x1 is 1 by 5, x2 is 1 by 7, x3 this is, and then this one. It's how many terms? 4 terms. So we have to write this one as power 4. Then we have to write the values of this one. 1 by 5 to the power 1 by 4. 1 by 7 to the power 1 by 4. 1 by 9 to the power 1 by 4. 1 by 11 to the power 1 by 4. This value is 5 to the power minus 1 by 4. 7 to the power is 9 to the power minus 1 by 4. 11 to the power minus 1 by 4. So, shall I write this 5, 7, 9, 11, whole thing to the power minus 1 by 4. Then, is a big calculation. So, little multiply also 35 into 9. 315 into 11. So, it will be 5, 6, 4, 3. 3, 4, 6, 5 to the power minus 1 by 4. So, x bar is this. Then for this calculation, you have to use logarithm. So take log on this one. Here, logarithm of this total thing, if you write log 3, 4, 6, 5 to the power minus 1 by 4. Logarithm has the property, power is anything, then it should come in the front. Then you have to, from log table, you have to put the values. Today actually I am not prepared with this on log table. So you put these values of log. So after putting these values, you have to divide and get a value. Then x bar, that is, this will be what? If you remove this log, it will be the anti-log of that term. This what? Anti-log of this one, if you calculate it, then yes, it is 1303 will be the answer. So, students, so we have completed up to question number 5. I am trying to do the remaining sum also. So, when you do this term calculation, of course, will be created big problem. So you have to be sincere about that one. That to make the calculation this way, and knowing the logarithm, it is also a matter. Logarithm, you have to know that rules also. Logarithm of m into n with respect to base a is log m with respect to base a plus log n with respect to base a. Logarithm of product is this. logarithm of, if we divide log n by n with respect to a is log m with respect to a minus log n with respect to x, minus it is. Then log m to the power n with respect to a is n log n will come before this one. This log a with respect to a is 1, log of 1 with respect to a is anything is 0. And then we have to know the table of this logarithm. Suppose this one, from that table we have to calculate this value to find this value. Example they may ask. So yes, we can use this one. Log table we have to see how to get the values of this one. Putting the values, that difference, then anti-log table is also there. How to see this anti-log table, that you also have to learn. Those who face too much problem can come in the college and you can ask. Yes, those who are coming, they can also ask me how to see this one. Showing this one, it is the one sided. Now at present we cannot reply. That is a big problem here. So better face to face interaction. We do 1-2 students come, then no problem of corona related social distance. So you can come and you can ask to see this one. Students do it nicely, try to understand nicely. If any problem, you send out this one, rooms after this one, as also homework you have to do. Unless this homework, I will not give any attendance present. So that much for the day.